Hey beautiful people, how are they? We're talking to Mr. Jonah, who is a mechanic in Lagos, Nigeria. In the past episode, we talked about how the job is, we interacted a lot. So I recommend you go check that video out before you proceed. So on this one, we take you to see how it does it, the practical aspect of it. Let's see how. So what's happening here now?
Yeah, we have this customer complaint that the rubber boot on the shaft got on and it's dripping grease all over the tire. The place is becoming dirty and all that. So we intend to change it.
Yep.
But then the normal procedures of how to do that is what we're carrying out. But we have an issue. The shaft, we've been trying to release it from the brake disc, from the hub, and it's not coming out. Yeah. So we've tried all possible best for now. We're not able to. That's what you just seen us doing here, trying to release the shaft, but it's not coming. Oh. So we are now looking for alternative means. So instead of replacing the part that we're supposed to replace, if we're able to remove the shaft, we are now thinking of how we can get it repaired. Right inside the vehicle. That way we can no longer remove. Because of the rust. Mm-hmm. What we have here is why we are not able to remove it is because of the rust. Yeah. Everything is rusted, so you can see rust particle on the floor. Okay. So we are not able to get it. So we want to now look for alternative means instead of replacing, since we cannot remove, because we need to remove the shaft. This is the shaft. We need to bring it out before we can change this rubber here. So, but since we can't remove it because of the rust here, we had no choice than to see if we can probably repair the place. The position that is torn. Yeah. That's making the grease to come out. Want to see? That's the only option we have right now. So that's just what we're doing. That's just all we are doing right here. So we are already losing some parts here, but now that we cannot get the stuff, I want to couple back. Okay. And try to see how we can repair instead of replacement. Yep. Yes, that's just it. That's what we're doing.
Man, this is hell. Like all this rust now, everything came from this. Yeah. All this on the floor, everything came from this.
Came from the brake disc.
Wow.
As a result of the impact, that is when you try to hit the stuff.
What's wrong with this one now?
Yeah, this one came with some electrical issues. Firstly, this one was having a charging system problem. Okay. When you park the car, if you drive and you stop the car for 2 hours, the battery runs down. Wow. Yeah, so we've been able to resolve that. And the thing is very okay right now. As the charging issue is fine. Anyway, not just charging issues. We have issues with the power locks that are not. When you lock the car, it doesn't lock, so you can't leave the car.
Let's see the.
When you lock the vehicle, centrally, you lock the vehicle with your key. Oh. It will not lock. You can video the car. So we were able to. We're able to narrow it down to this part of the vehicle.
Let's see what's going on here.
Narrow it down. We realize that the issues were here. Okay. Because some unprofessional guys have messed the whole thing up here.
That's one of the problems in this country.
Yeah, they've messed all these things up. So this glass cannot wind. You cannot lock it centrally, and if you park your car and you try to lock, it doesn't lock. You understand? So we are still trying to sort it out. Why we have all of this? Because the whole thing has been. You can see all this wire cut.
It's messed up. It's messed up.
Completely messed up. You understand? So this is just the issue remaining on this now. Okay. We've been able to sort out the other things. All right. This is what is keeping us now. Wow. Just to ensure that these things are well taken care of.
Well kept.
And the dark.
Nice one.
That's it.
So how about this one, sir? What's going on with this one here?
This one was a Tokumbo vehicle. This one came as Tokumbo.
Okay, that was a Tokumbo.
Yeah, it came
into it now.
It came into Nigeria. They took it to Ladipo to work on the engine.
Okay.
So I haven't done that. They said they also work inside, they do some job inside the vehicle.
Okay.
You can come here.
Come over.
You can come here and so video this. So we have what happened was that in the process of doing their job,
yeah,
they lost the key to the car,
yeah,
so they could not start the engine.
Yep.
So they had wrong advice, and instead of them to get another key,
yep,
they went to buy some components and all that. But at the end of the day, the car couldn't start, so they have to tow the car from Ibadan to this place.
Wow, from Ibadan to Lagos?
To this place, yeah. So it has been here for like 2 months. Although we have been able to sort it out, we've been able to start the car. The car is starting now. The car is driving. But the only issue we are trying to resolve is that each time you remove the battery from the car will take some time before it can start.
Okay.
So we are trying to see why is that happening. You understand? That's the issue with this presently. Wow. After this, I think the car is good to go. But once the car started, it can go all the way from here, can travel to Abuja. But anything that makes you to say...
That's why they bring it to you to ensure that it's in good order.
Yeah,
it does fit already.
We are sorting it. We are sorting it.
Okay.
We are sorting it.
All right, so...
That's it.
I think that's a wrap. I see that it was a banger. The guy has a lot in stock, honestly. He's doing well when it comes to technical. I told you, you just need to go check out that video where we interacted. This guy is not just somebody I knew, maybe I went to talk to. I've known this guy for years, and the guy got it. He has a skill. We want to push this guy out. So just go check out our talk show. We talked a length so to get to know more about this guy. That will give you full understanding of the whole video. So go check out that video here. Either here or here. Go check it out. Thank you.